Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn rules for making plurals. So one by one we will move on and we see that what are the main rules for making plurals. Rule number 1 is if a word ends with on sh, ch or double s or x and s, then we add es to make it plural. For I again repeat, if the word ends with sh, ch, double s, x or s, we add es to make it plural. For example, I have written some word here: bush, brush, grass, fox. So when we add es, the word becomes plurals. Okay. Now move on the second rule. If a word ends with y and before y there is a consonant, listen carefully again. If a word ends with y and before y if there is a consonant, then we will remove the y and add ies. For example, the word is city. You see, the word is city. As you see, the word is ending with y and before y there is a consonant. So we will remove the y and we add ies to make it plural. As in the same case, country, we will skip the y and we add ies to make it plural. Countries. Family, we will skip the y and we add ies, the word become plurals. Okay. And the next rule number 3 is also linked with rule number 2. If the word ends with y but before y there is a vowel, then we add only s and we will not skip the y. As you see, I have written some of words: boy, tray, valley. Boy, you see before y there is a vowel, so we will just add s to make it plural. In this word there is also before y there is only a, we just add s and the word become trays. In this way also we will not skip the y because before y there is a vowel, so we just add s and the word become plural. Now we will move on the rule number 4. Rule number 4 is this: if a word ends with o, we just add oes and the word become, for example, you look potato, we add, if the word ends with o, we add es here. Okay, clear? But sometimes some plurals they do not change, we cannot add es, we just add s because these are tricky. For example, studio, photo. Okay, and this word link with next rule, we just add s here. These are called tricky. Photos, studios. Okay. And the last rule is rule number 5. If the word ends with f or fe, we skip this f or fe and we add ves. For example, you see I have written some of word: wife, leaf, wolf. These words, as you see, these words end with f sounds, f or fe. We skip f and fe and we add ves and the word become plural. Wives, as you see I skip fe and I add ves. The word is leaf. When we add ves, the word become plurals. Okay, as in wolf, we add ves and skip y, the word become plural. Now students, come on book page number 30 and 30. These all rules as we have discussed, firstly, these all are here. You read these words carefully and learn their spelling and also understand what the meaning of this word. Then you have to complete these sentences. Write the plurals of following noun into your notebook. You have to write down this task on your notebook. Exercise 3. Make these plurals on your notebook. On page number 31, these are also the plurals, rules of plurals as we have discussed. And some words are tricky plurals, that, for example, man and the plural is men. Person, people. Foot, feet. Foot is singular and feet are plural. Child, children. Goes, geese. These are the tricky plurals. Okay. And some spellings are used as singular as well as its plural. Deer, sheep, fish. We use these words as a singular as well. So students, after reading these words carefully, you can also practice these singular plural on your loose sheets, and then you will do this exercise, do the cross puzzle using words in C5. You take help from this exercise and you have to complete this. For example, close down. Close down means you have to write down the words from up